Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove message from Bookmark on Skype app on an Android device. Well, as your bookmark list grows, it is important to maintain it by removing messages that are no longer relevant or necessary, and also ensuring that you can quickly find the most important message. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app. Well, and here you can open your profile page. After that, select Bookmark option. Okay, next you can touch and hold on the message you want to remove from Bookmark. Lastly, select this option. Okay, so now the message is successfully removed from your Bookmark. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove message from Bookmark on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.